If you're looking for a natural, versatile, and high-quality herbal product, these Calendula officinalis flowers are definitely worth trying. The moment you open the package, you'll notice the vibrant color and clean, fresh aroma, clear signs of well-dried, premium flowers. Each petal is intact, bright, and beautifully preserved, making them perfect for teas, skincare recipes, salves, infused oils, soaps, and DIY herbal projects. What impressed me most is the purity. There are no fillers, no dust, and no artificial additives, just 100% authentic pot marigold flowers. They infuse quickly, release a rich golden color, and the soothing properties are noticeable whether you're using them for skincare or simple relaxation. If you value natural remedies or enjoy creating your own herbal products, this calendula is a fantastic choice. High quality, great fragrance, and excellent results. Definitely a product I would purchase again.